Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your device is online and your browser is up to date. Security updates matter. Open account. Microsoft. Com and click Sign In, then enter your Microsoft email and password. If prompted, complete multi-factor authentication using the Microsoft Authenticator app or the SMS code. This step confirms it's you. Once signed in, make sure you stay on the account dashboard. That screen gives immediate access to security, privacy, and subscription settings, so don't navigate away yet. Once signed in, click the Security tab to examine recent activity and update recovery options like phone or alternate email. This prevents lockouts. Next, move to Privacy to control what Microsoft collects and which apps have permissions. Adjust diagnostic data and ad settings there. Then open Subscriptions to verify billing and active services, and Devices to confirm linked PCs and phones. Make changes deliberately. Saving each section applies only the options you touched, so review confirmations and expect brief verification prompt. To finish, save every change and follow any verification prompts sent to your phone or alternate email. That completes critical updates. If you cannot sign in or see suspicious activity, use the Recover Your Account flow immediately and prepare proof of identity. Then contact Microsoft support for account recovery. If settings won't apply or pages display errors, clear your browser cache or reopen in a private window. That often fixes UI and permission glitches. If problems persist, try a different device to isolate the issue before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.